and happy Wednesday. I'm actually recording on my old phone, so YouTube and with my Wi-Fi. I'll get that to you guys sooner. And I did a little update on last night. I thought I was waiting on Kaylin, but she decided to stay in the other house for tonight, but I had some color for my OC's alter ego. My French press, which I'll put an eye down below to check that video out. And tiny garden update. We did a house for broccoli. It was on sale at Kroger, which is good. I mean, it has like a dark aroma. So a little update. My Wi-Fi is back on with before my counselor comes.
Yeah, the jacket. That's so cool. Had one of these?
Probably not.
Counselor's trying to get a picture.
That's some old, like, casino slots.
Found a Jarvan.
It's not a drawing, it's a picture. Let's go to jail. That's you. What did you do? Oh, don't touch Katie.
Lie detector test. This is what they used during like the 80s.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Box, which will then be translated into a sound and flash a small light bulb.
Oh, so this is what people use like in the 20s or something like that.
So S it would be.
So, and the rain has cleared, and an interesting trip to the police museum. I mean, I learned a lot, so I figured I would end